How is packaging board manufactured inside a modern smart factory using fully automated industrial systems?
Packaging board manufacturing begins with the controlled intake of recycled paper and virgin pulp. Each batch of raw material is automatically weighed and recorded to ensure stable packaging board production. Automated separation systems remove metal, plastic, and other contaminants before fiber processing begins. Clean raw materials are continuously fed into hydropulpers under precise PLC control. Hydropulpers break down paper into a uniform fiber slurry for packaging board manufacturing. The fiber slurry flows through automated screening systems to remove oversized particles. Centrifugal cleaners separate sand, staples, and dense impurities from packaging board fibers.
Fiber consistency and chemical additives are adjusted automatically to meet packaging board specifications.
Digital control systems monitor and stabilize pulp quality in real time.
In the wet end, a smooth forming felt moves through a milky off-white slurry with a slight tan tint to initiate packaging board formation.
As the felt exits the vat, retention is nearly invisible, appearing only as a faint change in surface sheen. Excess slurry drains evenly, while the surface remains smooth, uniform, and visually clean. Vacuum dewatering removes liquid gradually, while keeping the wet layer continuous and stable. After vacuum dewatering, the wet packaging board web becomes faintly visible, smooth, and highly delicate. The fragile wet packaging board web transfers smoothly into the press section for controlled water removal.
Press sections mechanically remove water while consolidating packaging board fibers.
Press pressure is adjusted automatically based on real-time moisture feedback. Each press stage increases dryness without damaging the packaging board structure.
The partially dried packaging board enters the thermal drying section.
Steam-heated cylinders evaporate remaining moisture from the packaging board surface. Infrared sensors continuously measure moisture levels across the moving packaging board. Dryer zones automatically adjust heat and speed to maintain dimensional stability.
Controlled drying ensures strength, flatness, and consistency of packaging board.
After drying, the packaging board moves into surface treatment processes. Surface sizing improves packaging board strength and printability.
Coating systems enhance smoothness and visual quality of surface packaging board.
Calendaring refines thickness and surface uniformity using controlled pressure. The fully formed packaging board exits the main production line as a continuous web. The packaging board web enters automated rewinding systems. Servo-controlled rewinders maintain correct tension and roll structure. Automated slitting knives cut packaging board edges precisely to specification.
Packaging board sheets are automatically diverted into a cutting station, processed to size, and returned to the conveyor according to customer requirements.
Optical alignment systems ensure accurate packaging board dimensions. Inline sensors continuously inspect packaging board thickness, weight, and moisture. Vision systems automatically detect surface defects on packaging board.
Robotic systems extract packaging board samples directly from the production line.
Mechanical strength is verified through automated edge crush and compression tests.
Quality data feeds back into the system to optimize packaging board production.
Proved packaging board moves into final packaging operations. Industrial robots palletize packaging board with consistent stacking patterns.
Automated wrapping protects packaging board pallets from moisture during transport.
Each packaging board batch is labeled for full traceability. Automated guided vehicles transport packaging board without manual handling. Finished packaging board is stored inside an automated smart warehouse. Finished packaging board is stored neatly inside a smart warehouse with full digital identification and traceability.
Automated handling systems and rail-guided equipment support the storage and retrieval of finished packaging board pallets. Warehouse operations are synchronized with enterprise planning systems. Customer orders are scheduled automatically for packaging board dispatch. Finished packaging board is delivered to downstream packaging industries.
Packaging board is converted into corrugated boxes for logistics and shipping.
High-quality packaging board supports precision folding carton manufacturing. Surface-treated packaging board meets hygiene and printing requirements for food packaging.
Multiply packaging board provides strength for industrial packaging applications. Automation ensures consistent packaging board quality at industrial scale. Energy consumption is optimized through intelligent process control. Closed-loop systems reduce water usage and environmental impact. Continuous operation maximizes efficiency and production stability. Every packaging board meets strict mechanical and dimensional standards.
Digital control guarantees repeatable quality across all packaging board production runs.
From fiber preparation to finished product, every step is fully automated.
This integrated process defines modern packaging board manufacturing. This is how packaging board is manufactured inside a smart industrial factory.